Experience the exclusive luxury of Emirates Executive, your private jet from the world's best airline. We dedicate our exceptional service beyond our first-class experience to fly you personally around the world. We offer you and your guests the ultimate comfort of our private suites with flatbed seats and personal space to relax. Your own shower, spa and bathroom, a haven of relaxation with luxury spa products to refresh and rejuvenate. And sumptuous fine dining with international cuisine to suit your personal tastes. Customize your living space to suit the way you want to travel. For business meetings using the latest video conferencing technology. Whether for business or leisure, you and your guests will have the flexibility and the benefit of our world-class service to make your flights the ultimate in exclusive travel. Hello, Emirates Executive. Hello, tomorrow.